That is now scientific evidence of this tragic killing and what his family believes was an execution.
And it lodged under the skin. There was no question, and there is no question, and there never will be question, that this was a typical entrance bullet wound.
Millisecond, the nanosecond that he shoots. We concluded that we have to investigate thoroughly whether this is a DWB. Where we know in the African American community as the classic driving while black profiling case.
Well, at this point, when I did the autopsy, why not? Because he was kept on life support.
From the second that he pulled the weapon until he shot and killed Patrick was milliseconds, as Ben said. Never gave a verbal warning, which is required under the federal law.